Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Bajan Lifestyles, where we give you the best of Barbados and all of its hidden treasures. Today we're in Speightstown enjoying this amazing view. I will be having brunch with the Orange Street Grocer. Stay tuned. Then there's a store now, but oh, it must be amazing. Hopefully I get to find out. Oh, look at these cups. These are adorable. Hey guys, so I'm very excited. As you can see, I have a lot of food in front of me. The girls gotta eat. So let's try the avocado toast. We've got the Bajan bowl. This looks amazing. All of these are locally grown products and I'm ready to try them. I'm about to try some amazing food here at the Orange Street Grocer. What I love about it is that it's so well presented, so beautiful, and it is also healthy and local. We've got the avocado bowl, we've got the Bajan bowl full of local produce, and we've got the health cake. And I'm going to dive in now.
It was at this point that she forgot how to eat with a knife and fork.
Knife in me left, fork in me right.
If you are a Bajan, you understand what is happening here. Sing with me.
Right? Okay guys, avocado toast and poached egg is amazing, perfect. This is a lot to put in your mouth, but I'm gonna try. Oh no! I did it. It's not good, sorry. As soon as you put a little bit in your mouth, you got that zesty taste with it, and all the flavors just start to work right through. Lovely, amazing guys. Let's try the Bajan bowl. So the Bajan bowl, we've got, look at all of that. It's so beautiful. There's plantain. We've got some pumpkin as well. Some of that egg. Let me just dig into that egg so you can see how that looks. Woo! Look at that. That is gorgeous. Slipping away. Try it. everything tastes good. This is breakfast and Sunday lunch all in one. You have to try this. Yes. Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. Nadine? Nadine, what's that called again? Ice latte. Okay, thank you. Okay. Guys, after that amazing meal, I'm about to dive in to a much needed ice latte. It's nice and warm out, but I'm about to enjoy some to help me chill, relax, and enjoy this beautiful scenery. It is amazing. All I can see is blue for days. It's just so beautiful here at the Orange Street Grocer. Everything possible is here for you guys. I really recommend it. This is one of my top 5s. I've been doing pretty good with my top 5s. But the last couple of places we've been to, they've been perfect, including here at the Orange Street Grocer. Let's see how this one tastes. It looks so nice. Ooh! Yes! Chill, creamy, chocolatey, coffee. Perfect. What else could you want? Guys, when you are in Barbados, make Speightstown a place to be. There's so much to do here, and the food here at the Orange Street Grocer was amazing. I highly recommend the Bajan bowl that had everything in it. So, of course, as always, don't forget to like.
Hold up.
Guys, I am really enjoying Speightstown. Just finished with some amazing food at the Orange Street Grocer, and now I'm just here chilling, enjoying this beautiful view in the shade. What I find is interesting about Speightstown and all it has to offer is that, unlike the South Coast where it's very busy, very, you know, in the in thing, Speightstown is very serene, very relaxed. There's almost like you're connected with nature. As you can see, the water here is so beautiful, it's so calm. So guys, tell us if you want me to do a series on Speightstown and all it has to offer, because this little town here on the west coast of Barbados is absolutely amazing. We've done a lot of South Coast stuff, a lot of inland, a lot of East Coast, but maybe you should pay a little attention to Speightstown. So let me know what you guys think. As always, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I'm going to sit here and enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll share a little bit with you. Bye.